In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a tag on Convertkit. This essential skill allows you to maintain a clean and organized subscriber list, ensuring that your email marketing efforts are as effective as possible. First things first, navigate to Convertkit's homepage. This is your gateway to a vast array of features designed to make email marketing a breeze. As you're greeted by the homepage, look for the login button. This is your next click. It's crucial at this stage to ensure that you're entering the correct website address in your browser to keep your account safe and secure. Once you've clicked on login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the same email address you used when you initially set up your Convertkit account. Accuracy here is key to smoothly switching to the next step without any hitches. After entering your email, the next field is for your password. This is the time to recall that secure password you created during account setup. Enter it carefully and then click on the login button again. Remember, if you've forgotten your password, there's always an option to reset it, ensuring you're not locked out of your account. Successfully logging in will direct you to your Convertkit dashboard. This is the control room for all your email marketing operations. From here you can access various features and tools to manage your subscribers and campaigns effectively. Now, to get to the task at hand, deleting a tag, on your dashboard you're looking for an option that says Browse all your subscribers and customers. This click leads you closer to managing the intricate web of your subscriber tags. Tags in Convertkit are incredibly useful for segmenting your audience based on their interests, behaviors, or any criteria you've set. However, over time, some tags may no longer be relevant to your marketing strategy, necessitating their deletion. After clicking through to browse your subscribers and customers, you'll need to find the specific tag you wish to delete. In this example, we're working with a placeholder named sample list 0 subscribers. Despite the name, this process remains the same regardless of the tag's name or subscriber count. Clicking on the tag will bring up options to either edit or remove the tag. Here, since our goal is to delete the tag, you'll select the option to remove it. Before you proceed, take a moment to ensure you're deleting the correct tag, as this action cannot be undone. Deleting a tag is not just about removing a label, it potentially changes how you interact with a segment of your subscribers, so a moment of double checking can save a lot of headaches later. After confirming your intention, the tag will be removed from your Convertkit account. It's a simple process, but one that plays a crucial role in maintaining an organized subscriber list. Regularly reviewing and pruning your tags can help in segmenting your audience more effectively, ensuring that your email marketing campaigns remain focused and relevant. Remember, the key to a successful email marketing strategy is not just in creating compelling content, but also in how well you manage your subscribers. Tags are powerful tools in this regard, allowing you to tailor your messages to specific groups within your audience. However, as your strategy evolves, so too will your need for certain tags. Keeping your tags organized and up to date is essential in making the most out of Convertkit's features. In conclusion, knowing how to delete a tag in Convertkit is just one small part of managing your email marketing campaigns, but it's an important one. Proper management of tags allows you to segment your audience effectively, ensuring that your content reaches the right people in the most impactful way. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. With these simple steps, you can keep your Convertkit account clean, organized, and primed for successful email marketing campaigns. Happy emailing!